What's up, LJ here. Based on my training and experience, it's my opinion that reasonable, law-abiding citizens focus more on why law enforcement officers do their job, and criminal-minded citizens focus more on how law enforcement officers do their job. It's two different mindsets, and the mindset you have is based off the lifestyle that you live. If a reasonable-minded citizen and a criminal-minded citizen both looked at the same law enforcement officer encounter, where someone was arrested and taken to jail, the reasonable-minded citizen will look at the totality of the circumstance. The criminal-minded citizen will ignore the totality of the circumstances and the justification and only focus on the law enforcement officer's actions.
How's it going?
How you doing?
Good, I'm Officer Stevens. I stopped you for speeding today on Fulton. You have your license, registration, proof of insurance? You weren't? What's the speed limit?
30.
It's 25. How fast do you think you're going?
I was going over 5.
Okay, I was doing 35 and I couldn't catch you. So that's 10
I wasn't
over.
going fast, officer.
Okay, well that's between you, me, the video, and my speedometer. So you get your license, registration, proof of insurance?
I don't have my license on me right now.
Why is that?
This is not my vehicle. This is my girlfriend's vehicle.
Whose house is this right here?
This is my mama's house. I don't know if she keep her stuff next to my vehicle.
What was your name?
Huh?
What was your name? Huh?
Trail.
Your name's Trell?
Yeah.
What's your last name, Trell? Huh? Listen to me. Stop digging around and listen to me.
I'm looking for the stuff for you.
Okay, well I need to know your name because you're driving a vehicle.
Alright, it's Trail.
Trail what?
Trail Brown.
Alright, Mr. Brown, step by the car for me.
Why do I step out the car?
You don't have your license on you, you're under arrest.
How? I'm under arrest.
You don't have your license on you, it's a misdemeanor in the state of Michigan.
That's not a misdemeanor.
Okay, step out of the car.
Why do I step out the car?
If you don't step out of the car, you'll be charged with hindering opposing.
I didn't do nothing. My son up in the car right
Okay,
here.
great. I'm glad you know the law.
Alright, let me show my mama.
Step out of the car. You're under arrest for refusing to obey a lawful command. Now you're under arrest. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. I'm gonna bust the window and drag you out. I'm gonna bust you out. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. You're under arrest. Step out of the car. You're under arrest. I'm gonna break the window. I'm gonna break the window. Step out of the car. 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 Open the door. You're under arrest. Open the door. Open the door. Step out of the car. You're under arrest. Let me see your hands. Step out of the car. You're under arrest. Step out of the car. You're under arrest. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Show me your other hand. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Exit the vehicle. Exit the vehicle. Exit the vehicle. Exit the vehicle. He's got a kid in the back seat. Exit the vehicle. Exit the vehicle. Exit the vehicle. Exit the vehicle. Open this door. Exit the vehicle.
Get out. Let me get out.
Put your hands up.
Let me get out.
Put your hands up.
You're gonna get tased. You don't get out. I gotta get free.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back. I'm gonna hit you again.
Hands again. Hands behind your back.
I am. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Get your arm out. Get down now.
did it again! Good. That's what I'm trying to say! You better pull away! What the fuck? You get back! You're getting tased again if you keep around. You got that?
That's why y'all about to get sued. Like I seizure now. Now, that's my. I got. I got seizures. Listen to me. Listen to me. Okay. Let's calm down. Hey man, calm down. Calm down. Just give me a calm down. All you have to do is listen. You brought this all upon yourself. The cuffs is too tight, and I can't move my arm because my sweater, like...
All right, kick your feet up on the seat that way and face this way.
What you mean?
Put your feet out that way. Put your back
This
towards
way?
me. Yeah. Put your back against the door and put your feet up on the seat.
I can't move. Also, my leg feel like it's broken. Somebody stepped on my leg. I just broke.
Slide your right leg over there. That'll give you enough room to slide up. Just take baby steps.
I can't get my leg.
You got it. There you go. Turn your foot a little bit.
Oh.
That one's good.
No, this one is the tightest one right here.
Okay, if I can get my finger in there, it's loose enough. I can get my finger all the way in that one. This one might be. Just a second. Go ahead.
Walker has confirmed on Brown. They look like they're fine.
Okay, thanks.
You want to know the reason why I didn't want to get out the car?
Lean forward for me and I'll get this one loosened up for you. Yeah, I mean, this is kind of ridiculous now.
I know I had a warrant, but I didn't want my son to be in that, like, for real.
Don't claim victim to circumstances that you created. In addition to law enforcement officers using the equipment on their belt, we're allowed to use distraction techniques to gain compliance. A distraction technique is the striking of a person's limbs to make them lose focus on what they're doing. And once they're secured in handcuffs, then it's over. But if an officer continues to strike a person, then that's brutality. What do you think? Leave a comment.